talk, cold story ever told. Somewhere far down this road, lost the soul to own so heartless. How could you be so heartless? How could you be so heartless?
When I was a kid, I had no friends. Thought it'd be like this to the very end. The only people I talked to were in my head, and the voices I hear, they only want me dead. I pray to God and ask Him to send someone real that's not pretend, but He never did. He just sent me pain. So stay alone and I go insane. I live my life just like a game, and I flood the ground with some more blood rain. Put a gun in your mouth and remove your brain. Left on the wall is a big red stain. On the ground is a rotten carcass wrapped up in all this darkness. Take out my soul and rip it apart, bitch. And that's why I say that I'm heartless.
I hear him talk, cold story ever told. Somewhere far down this road, lost the soul to own so heartless. How could you be so heartless? How could you be so heartless?
Heartless, ruthless, no matter what the truth is. Every time I grab the mic and step up in the booth, it's another feeling like I could rule the world. If I could get on stage with a DJ and berserk, but the plan I set in action, people say it ain't gon' work. So I grab my big pen and I write another verse. They're expecting me to care, but you know it's kinda hard when the beat is my pulse, cause I don't have a heart.
So we get no love unless you're family or if you're blood. So we run these streets with ninjas and thugs. We get no light from up above. We in a dark pit where we push and shove, where we fight and claw and rip real raw. So we pick ourselves up and we stand real tall and rip on the mic because we fall.
In the night, hear him talk, cold story ever told. Somewhere far down this road, lost the soul to own so heartless. How could you be so heartless? How could you be so heartless?
Been taught since I was young to handle shit with my hands, don't pull no gun. If a nigga wanna flex, it's just one-on-one. He can bring all of his homies, but I won't bring none. Daddy taught me as a small kid to do my best. To do so, I had to rip my heart about my chest and jot down every bit of feeling that I have inside, because I have no heart, and so I have to write. Because the beat's my pulse and what I rap's my life. No need to exaggerate, the truth is alright. If you hustle, then you hustle. If you work, you work. I hate my life, but then it could be worse. So I spill my painful ink, verse by verse. I have to put to drink this liquor because it hurts. So I roam these streets in verse and stay alert and keep my mind on grind till they close the curtain.
In the night, hear him talk, cold story ever told. Somewhere far down this road, lost the soul to own so heartless. How could you be so heartless?